Welcome students. We learn about some collections. Here the bunch of keys, set of color pens, set of color pens, collection of color pencils, group of some numbers, see here, and group of letters in English alphabet. These type of collections, groups, bunch are called set. Now how to define set? Set is well-defined collection of objects. Each object is called an element. What is element? Element is an individual object of a set. Element is an individual object of set. Now what about the collections of the type, that is a group of brilliant students in your class or rich people in a village? The definition of these terms changes by person to person. Hence, these type of collections are not set. Now, set is denoted by capital letters and elements are denoted by small letters. In 8th standard, you learn about the types of numbers. First one is counting numbers, which are called natural numbers. Set of natural numbers is denoted by capital N is equal to, in curly bracket, which are natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. All counting numbers are natural numbers. Second, set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers is denoted by capital W and elements are 0, 1, 2 and so on. Third, set of integers. Set of integers. Which are the integers? What is difference between them? Here are 0 and positive number. Set of integers include negative numbers. Hence, it is denoted by I and is equal to negative numbers, 0 and positive number is a set of integers. Fourth, set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers denoted by capital Q, and last one is a set of real numbers denoted by capital R. You study set of natural numbers, you know 1, 2, 3 are the elements of set N. An element of set is denoted as, let A be the element of set A, is symbolically written as A belongs to capital A. For example, 4 is a natural number. That means 4 is an element of set N, is written as 4 belongs to N. 4 belongs to N. Second example, minus 2 is not a natural number. Minus 2 is not a natural number. How to write symbolically? Minus 2 not belongs to capital N. Minus 2 is not an element of set N. Now see methods of writing set. There are two methods. First one is listing method. It is also called roster form. Now how to write set by listing method? For example, set of first 5 odd numbers. How to write? See, suppose set of 5 odd numbers, first 5 odd numbers be A. And what is that? The numbers are the elements of set A are enclosed in curly bracket. How to write curly bracket? See here. Enclosed in curly bracket. First 5 odd numbers are, which are they? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Curly bracket complete. Each element is separated by commas. Each element is separated by commas, and it also written as 3, 9, 5, 7, 1. Why? Because you can write elements at any sequence. Order is not important. And one element is written at once. One element is written only once. And this is the writing method of sets. Now, what is second method? In second method, we do not write set by taking a list of elements. Then how to write? In this method, we write only specific property of elements of given set that must be unique. Rule method is also called set builder form. For example, B is a set of first three perfect squares. Which are the first three perfect squares? B is equal to 1, 4, 9. Numbers which are perfect square. First three natural numbers which are perfect squares. Now how to write it in rule method? X is an element such that x is equal to n square and n is a first three natural numbers. See difference between listing method and rule method carefully. Now, exercise 1.1. Question first. Write set in roster form. Exercise. Question first. Write sets in roster method. First example. Set of even numbers. Set of even numbers. Set of even numbers is denoted by any capital letter. And which are the elements? Even numbers. Which are the even numbers? Numbers multiple of 2. Which are they? 2, 4, 6 and so on. Second example. Set of negative integers. Set of negative integers. You can write at any order. Q is equal to -1, -2, -3 and so on. It is a set of integers. There are total 4 examples. You have a homework. Solve remaining 2 examples. Question 2. Write in symbolical form. Write symbolic statement in words. Write symbolic statement in words. For example, 4/3 how to write? 4/3 is an element of Q. 4/3 is an element of Q. Solve second example. for homework. Question 4. Write following sets using listing method. That is similar to first question. You try about it. Now, fifth question. Write the set using rule method. For example, A is equal to 1, 4, 9 and so on 100. Which property is here? For element. Write given sets using rule method. First example, A equal to 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on, and last element is a 100. Observe these elements. What do you observe here? What is 1? 1 is a square of 1. 4 square of 2. 9 square of 3. 16 square of 4. And what is 100? It is a square of 10. Write in notation form. By rule method, A is equal to, in curly bracket, x is such that x is equal to n square, where n is a natural number and is less than and equal to 10. See carefully. How to write given set in rule method. Second example. B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Which type of letters these are? Can anyone tell? These are the vowels. Hence, by rule method, it is written as Y. Y is such that Y is a vowel in English alphabet. Curly bracket complete. Okay. Now, solve remaining examples in exercise 1.1. So, homework.